Hello everyone, so we're here from this FIDE World Blitz Chess Championship 2024. So round number 11. So after finishing of this Women's Chess Championship, and this today, Men's Blitz Chess Championship 2024. So it means against that. And and after the news, so what happened? The Ukraine was flagged down after Rook G4. So it means flagged down, time clock losses. So it means the boy of this old man was very heartbroken, crying, and very losses and very poor sadness of this one. And this today we also have a grandmaster from Ukraine is Vasil Ivanchuk, also known as Chucky. Chucky lady buddy. So I thought this watching this TV commercial of this also known as a Chucky chocolatey body. So it means very commercial TV. So he was born on March 18, 1969 at the age of 55 in Ukraine. So so he was started in chess in 1987. So it means win seriously. And 1988 was started a grandmaster in Ukraine in chess. So it means etc. And also have a grandmaster from USA is Daniel Naroditsky. So he was born on November 9, 1995 in USA. So it means his father was learned in chess puzzles and chess learnings in start 2007. So so after that, so Naroditsky was started a grandmaster from FIDE in USA. So it means Daniel very focuses and very thinking of this brilliant brains of these chess puzzles. So it means he studied in chess books, etc. So in this part of this video, so what happened to Chucky was after Rook G4. So it means times clocks down, clock down of this game. So it means so what happened of this part of this video we have analyzed here of these chess games in round number 11. So white plays Chucky is d4, knight f6 Naroditsky, c4, and also g6. Wow, g6 is a black pieces there. And also known main line is e6, knight c3, and also d5, knight f3, and also d takes c4, and also e3, and also bishop b4, and also bishop takes c4, and also bishop takes c3 check, and also pawn takes c3. So it means pawn takes c3 is there. So back there is g6, f3, bishop g7, and also e4. So it means e4 was triple in pawn. So triple pawn is called is King's Indians and anti-Alakines Granfeld sandwich variation. So it means pawn was triple this one. So triple of pawns within c4, d4, and also e4. So it means triple pawns of this one. So triple of this pawn here. So d6, bishop d3, castle, knight c3, and also a6, bishop d3, knight fd7. So knight fd7 with the upcoming of this knight b6. So it means knight b6 for upcoming of knight b6 on. So it means knight b6. So knight g2, c5. Oh my god, c5 with the threatening of this pawn. So it means threatening of pawn takes and also bishop takes there. So bishop takes and pawn takes here. So that means pawn takes and also and bishop takes here. So d5, so pushes blocking from this pawn, and also knight e5. So it means knight e5 with the threatening of this bishop. So it means bishop. So threatening of this bishops here. So threatening here. And also a4, good move by Chucky. So why a4 good move from this Chucky here? So why so So why don't we capture this knight takes here bishop? So it means, so why don't we capture this knight takes, or it may be queen takes only. So it means queen takes. So it means if this one of these best moves on this one, so it means we need to capture this one as soon as we can. This one. So back there is a4, good move by Chucky, and also knight b d7. Oh my god. So knight b d7 with the threat with the upcoming of this knight. So knight b6 or maybe knight f6. So it means knight f6. So it means begins with that. So it means knight b d7. So also knows that. And also b3, knight b knight takes b knight takes d3 check, and also queen takes d3, f5. So it means f5. So it means with the idea of capture this pawn. So it means bishop. So bishop also known as pinning by this pinning of this rook of this one. So it means bishop pinning knights and rooks. So it means knight. So it means bishop. So it means pinning of this one. And also rook d1. So rook d1 doesn't want of this computer of these moves of these white pieces. And also he likes a computer. This one is simple castle. Simple castle. If the knight e5 threatening queen, and also queen d2. So it means queen d2 are good for whites there. So back there is rook d1. So it means b5. So it means threatening with the threatening of this pawn. So pawn, or it means and captured pawn this one. So it means threatening pawn. So it means sacrifice. So it must be sacrificed to this one. And also pawn takes a takes b5, and also a takes b5 here. Knight e5 with the threatening of this queen here, and also queen c2. F takes e4, knight takes, and also queen e5 check. So it means queen e5 check. So queen a5 check. It means check. So it means one queen a5 check, and also knight to c3. So it means knight to c3. So it means covered. So covered, well, this one, so knight to c3 within covering by knights. So avoid capture these queens here. So it means here from this pawn, so with the threatening of this queen. So it means avoid this one, this one. So avoid captured this one. So it means avoid. So after knight to c3, so what do you think of these first puzzles by brilliant move by Naroditsky? So while waiting for that and for continue for that, start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone is knight takes f3, brilliant move by Naroditsky. Oh my god. So it means knight takes f3 check. It means strongest move by Naroditsky in USA. So it means brilliant move, sacrifice on these games on these black pieces. And also g takes f3, rook takes f3. Oh my god, rook takes f3 with the idea of threatening of bishop takes e3 check. So it means threatening. So threatening bishop, I mean rook takes f3 check. So it means rook takes f3 check, not bishop takes. So it means, I'm sorry, I forgot my words in this thinking of this brain. So it means I forgot. So rook takes f3 with the threatening of this rook takes bishop check. It means check. And also king d2, another bad move by Chucky. So it means bad move computer and chain. So the best moves there is king e2. King e2. So it means king e2 with the threatening of this rook. Oh, rooks there. So king e2 with threatening rooks. So what do you think happened? So back there is king d2, bishop Bishop d4. So, my god. Oh my god. Bishop d4. It means blunderacious by Naroditsky. What happened? So, it means double question mark for this one. So, what happened? Blunderacious. So, the best moves there is queen b4. Queen b4. So, queen b4 only is not bishop d4. So it means queen b4 are best moves on this one. So back there is bishop d4, rook a1, good move, another good move by Chucky. So rook a1 with the threatening of this queen. Oh, so it means within rook will start capturing by queen by Naroditsky. So it means pin. So it means pin there for this one. And also bishop takes e3 check, king e2, another good move by Chucky. So it means king e2 with the, so it means threatening rooks. This one, threatening of this one. And also bishop g4. Oh my god, bishop g4. So it means bishop g4 with the threatening pin. So for this one, pin of this king. So it means dangerous. Dangerous coming, coming, dangerous coming, coming fire. I think I think singer from this one in America. So it means bishop bishop g4 with a threatening pin from this one. And also queen takes a5, no more queen from Naroditsky from this queen. And also rook takes a5, king d3, another good move by Chucky. Oh my god. Good move. Very strongest move by Chucky here. And also bishop d4 check, opening. Oh my god, opening the for this one. King c4, king c4, good move by Chucky. And also bishop f5. Oh, bishop f5. So bishop f5 with a threatening pin by queen. Oh my god, threatening from this pin from this one. So it means what happened? And also queen d2. Oh my god. Bishop takes c3. Oh, bishop takes c3 by the threatening of queen. And also knight takes c3. Oh, e5. Oh, e5. So it means impasad. So e5 there. And also rook e1. So it means rook e1. Wait. Wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. For example, so in this, in accept, why don't we impasad captured from this d takes e6? So it means bishop takes e6, goodbye white, checkmate. Oh, goodbye white. So it means goodbye. Goodbye. So I think singers for this one. So back there is, so rook e1, rook f4 check, queen takes f4, so it means no more queen from Chucky, so it means no more queen from this one, so it means pawn takes f4. The time clocks is 6 seconds from Chucky from white pieces, and 6 seconds from Naroditsky, so it means same of this time clocks from dying seconds. So what happened there? Faster as you can, so it means what happened. And also knight e4, bishop takes, rook takes, and also g5. Oh, so g5, so it means b6, rook a8, king b5, f3. Oh my god, with a threatening push by f2. Oh my god, promotes by queen, so it means promotes there. Oh, pawns. It is pawns there. And also rook e1. Oh my god, rook e1 with the coming of rook f1. Oh my god, rook f1. So upcoming a rook f1 is there. So it means rook f1. So rook e1 there. g4. Oh my god. Coming pushes from g3. Oh my god. Very dangerous. Dangerous of this one. And also king c6. So it means h5. h5. King takes and also rook f8. Oh my god, b7. Oh my god, b7 with the promotes by queen. Oh my god, queen for this one. And also h4. Oh my god, coming of promotes. Rook g1. Oh, rook g1. Oh, what happened from Chucky? That means bad move. Bad move of this computer. So what happened? So what happened on this one? Rook g1. So the best moves there is rook f1. Ah, rook f1. So for example, if g3, it means captured, and also rook takes sacrifice. Oh my god. If your rook takes, it means promotes queen. Ah, promotes queen check. So it means promotes. So promotes queen from this one. For after that, if you blocks from this rook f8, so what happened? It means rook f8. So it means queen b5. So queen b5. If for example, if the g2 is here, if the g2, this one means queen takes c5. Queen takes c5. So it means if a so it means queen takes c5. Oh no. So it means queen takes c5. So it means etc. So it means if you rook takes, so it means rook here from this one. So it means etc. So what happened but for this one in this one? So back there is rook g1. Oh, f2. Oh, what happened? F2. So it means mismove by Narodisky, wrong move. So the best moves there is g3. G3. It means pawn takes, and also so it means rook takes check. Takes. So it means if the queen takes, so king h7 sacrifice, and also rook takes. Oh man, promotes queen. Promotes queen of this one. So it means back there is, so it means f2. Rook takes g4 check, king h7, and also rook takes h4. Oh, what happened? Another bad move by Chucky. Oh, what happened? What happened? This one bad move. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is, what do you call this? So the best moves is promotes queen. So promotes queen is if a rook takes, and also rook takes. Rook takes h4 check. If your king g7, and also rook rook f4. So it means rook takes, and also rook takes here. Oh, rook takes. So it means wins for white from there. So back there is one is rook takes h4 check. So rook takes h4 check. So it means 6 seconds, and 6 seconds same from this Chucky and Narodisky. So it means dying seconds. King g6, good move by Narodisky, and also that boom. Oh, clocks down. Time clocks down. Oh my god, what happened? Chucky's time time clock loss. It means time out from this game. Round number 11. Oh, what happened? Chucky is very, very heartbreaks and crying from this. Chucky, it means very, 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 very crying and for sadness because she lost on these games of round number 11. So rook g4 check, bad move. So it means bad move. So it means bad move. Bad move of this one. So the best moves there is rook f4. So rook f4. If your rook takes there, and also promotes queen, and also promotes by queen there. So it means promotes. Oh my god. So what happened for this one? It is losses from this one, from Chucky, this one. Very, very sadness of this one. So from this video clip, so I will be watching by video clips. So what happened by losses from this one in Chucky in this round number 11 after time clocks down on losses. So what happened if losses from this game, from this time losses between Chucky versus Nardiski. So I will watch I will watch the video clips here. So it means, so watch this. So I hope this this watching video clips in 3 minutes here from this one, in this watching by Grandmaster Chucky and also versus Grandmaster Narodisky. So it means, so rook g4 check, it means lockdown, timeout clock losses by Chucky. So so Chucky is very, very good, great moves from games from Chucky from Ukraine. So it means I hope Chucky was very winning of this chess from this one. So it means Chucky was focusing moves on this one. So I think the winner of this Grandmaster USA is Daniel Naroditsky in USA. So so I hope this one from this one. Congratulations from Daniel. So I hope this part of this video. So after that, before anything else, so January 13th. So I'm coming from this working OJT. So it means fourth year. I'm fourth year college in tourism management. So it means I will started in OJT in second sem. So it means I will making my requirements in this OJT. So after that, so I'm graduate in May 2024, in this May 24 from fourth year college. I'm fourth year college in graduate. So it means I'll be back in June in live streaming. So it means I'm busy work my OJT. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much here from this one. So I'm Mark Lowagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. So thank you so much here from this one. Have a good day, keep safe, and Zaijan.